Let's make a helix. Start by dragging out the helix in the top viewport, and observe that you're setting both radius 1 and radius 2 right now. I'll release the mouse button and move the mouse up. I'm setting the height, even though I can't see that right now in the top viewport. Click to set the height, and then optionally move the mouse yet again, and you can set radius 2 separate from radius 1. I'll drag it all the way down to 0 and click, and the helix is complete. Now we need to adjust it with the parameters. You can make a spiral by increasing the number of turns. I'll set this to 5. Now it looks like a two-dimensional spiral because we're looking at it from the top viewport, but it actually has a height. Right-click and type P for perspective. I'll press G to turn off the grid, and go to the Modify panel by pressing 2 on the keyboard. The bias parameter controls how the helix operates in the height dimension. Right now there's no bias, so the helix curves linearly from the bottom to the top. If I increase the bias, more of the curves happen near the top. And if you use a negative bias, it's the opposite. Finally, at the bottom of the parameters rollout, there are two radio buttons for clockwise and counterclockwise.